I for ice. I for ink. I for ivy. I for idea. I for iron. I for iris. I for igloo. I for icicles. I for insects. I for iguana. I for iron. I for iceberg. I for ice cream. I for ice skating.